Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now finally is the time to create a stream that will be simultaneously displayed on all your social media platforms. Actually, on this video I will show you not only how to do it at the same time for Periscope, YouTube and Facebook Live, but also to 31 other social media platforms that you can do it right now for free. Okay, so how we do that? Remember that we are here on OBS, and OBS only if we go to settings, you remember that we have the stream tab where we add the stream key and the server, URL server information for YouTube and Facebook. We did that in the last two videos, right? So here we are, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, but we cannot add more than one stream here, okay? So how do we do it from Facebook and also for YouTube here on OBS? The best way to do it in order to not overcharge, to not overload actually your system, your laptop or your computer is to use a service called Restream. And if you go here to services, you see here Restream.io. That's the one. So this is the website Restream.io. And let me go there and show you how this system works and why I like it so much. Here we are. This graphic actually illustrates exactly how the service works. Instead of having, usually what we are doing is we have your camera here, your computer. This is you, the first one. We are pointing right now straight to YouTube to do YouTube Live. We are pointing right now straight to Facebook to do Facebook Live. Remember that we came here to OBS and we changed the stream key, pointing to Facebook or pointing to YouTube, okay? But now, with Restream, what we are doing is we are getting some URL, some stream key from Restream, okay? And we are sending this information only to one place, only to Restream. So we are not overloading your computer, we are not overloading your internet connection because we are doing a single transmission to Restream. And from here, and this is where the magic happens, guys. From here, Restream will automatically send your stream to all your social media platforms automatically with high quality, okay? And right now, this is for free. The one that is not included on the free plan yet, I chat with the support team on Restream. They said that they are working on adding Facebook Live for free on the free plan. For now, you need to pay a fee. Don't worry about that right now. I'll show you how to do it later. But basically, for free, you can stream to over 30 social media platforms right now. So let's take a look inside this software. So if you want to visit this page, you can go to Restream.io. I'll add that also on here on the specific resources area of this lecture. Okay, so click on sign up now. Okay, it's opening. You can create a new account if you want. If you have an account already, that's fine. I am seeing this screen on this dashboard, this image, actually this interface on my dashboard because I already added some channels. Probably you, if it's the first time you are joining, this is the interface you will see. And what's this? You see here at the bottom we have select service and set up platform. The first step here is to select the service where you want to stream. Basically here you can select all the social media platforms that you want to stream at the same time. And here we have YouTube events, YouTube Stream Now. This is events that you can schedule. This is Stream Now to stream right now to YouTube. Periscope. I love Periscope. It's from Twitter. We have a complete model about Periscope here on this digital marketing course too. So if you didn't check that, go and check that because it's amazing. And also, I mean, all this, we have 31 platforms here that you can do it 100% free. People ask me, Diego, is worth it to try to stream to all these platforms or not? The answer is that depends. Depends of you, depending of the subject, the niche that you are teaching about, what you are actually talking with your audience, what your audience is looking for, where your audience is. For example, Twitch is more for games. YouTube gaming, for example, this one. I mean, if I teach social media marketing, probably on YouTube gaming, I won't have too many people watching or interested on my topic, probably, okay? But I have clients that say, you know what? we have people, I mean, there are people on all these 31 social media platforms here. Why don't I just create an account on each one? It will take me a few hours, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours to create an account on all these and set up all these, add all these channels on my Restream account. So next time when I need to do a Facebook, not a Facebook Live, actually a live session, I will be going automatically to all these 31 social media platforms. Doesn't matter. Maybe on YouTube gaming channel, there are no people interested in social media marketing, digital marketing, but maybe 1, 2, or 3 people will be interested. I mean, and there is no extra effort for me to stream to YouTube gaming, for example. You know what I mean, right? So it's basically create an account on each one of these and start doing live session to these channels, okay? Up to you. You decide that. Is depending of your audience, depending of your topic. You can choose the biggest one like live stream, live edu, or of course the YouTube Ustream is a big channel too. I mean, you can choose the biggest and go with that at the beginning, and after that you can start adding more and more channels. You see that Facebook Live is not here for now. That's what I told you in the beginning of this video. To actually do it to Facebook Live right now, you need to pay a plan, which is Custom Platform RTMP, which is $14.99 a month. Sometimes they offer a free trial, so if you want a free trial, maybe you can click on this box and chat with the support people. They are amazing guys, and they will help you. And if they have available the 7-day free trial, maybe they will give you this for 7 days so you can try and see if you like it. And by doing that, you can add Facebook Live. Or maybe if you are watching this on the future, maybe they already added the Facebook Live option here, and all you need to do is just click on the platform in order to add. So how do you add the platform? All you need to do is click on the one that you like. I already have YouTube, so let me try another one. Add channel. Okay. Add channel. Let me add Ustream, for example. So here I need to add the RTMP URL for Ustream and the key for Ustream, okay? And you can do that. I mean, it's different for each platform. For YouTube, it will prompt you for your username and password. You choose which YouTube channel you want to tie this account to if you have more than one YouTube channel. And Periscope the same. When you activate Periscope, they will ask you for your login information for Periscope. You authorize the access and that's it. After that, you will have the Periscope account enabled for you. Custom RTMP. How do we add that? That's for Facebook Live. Let me see if I can change it from here. Yes. So you add that. Basically, first you need to subscribe to the $14.99 a month, or you can ask them for a free trial. And if they give you the free trial, you can come here to Custom Platform, click on that one, and you will see this option here. I already added, so let me see. You will see this asking for you for the RTMP URL and the stream key URL, the stream key code. You add that. You know already how to get these from prior videos. I will add the link to this page, which is facebook.com/live/create, where you can get the URL and the string key for your Facebook Live sessions. So if I go here, I can choose a page, a group. I can do it in my timeline if I want. Let's choose a page, for example, and click on next. And now here we will have this information, which is the specific URL, server URL, and the streaming key for this session. So I copy this and paste on this area and save. When I have saved, you will see here all the channels that you have already included on your Restream account. So you see that the YouTube channel, you can turn this on or off. Okay, so it's on or off. And Periscope is on right now, and Custom RTMP is on with the specific URL for Facebook Live, for that Facebook Live page that I selected here. Okay, so this is good. We can add more channels here, and all the channels that you add here, you will be seen on this list, and you can choose which one you want to use on this specific streaming right now by turning them on or off on this switch. Excellent. Next step is the titles. We will do a test streaming right now. So we'll go to titles here and we can write a title for each one. You can click on each channel and edit the title if you want, or you can do it for all by clicking, let me close here, by clicking here at the top. So you can say test streaming using OBS and Restream.io, for example. Update all, and you will see that all will be updated on your channels. So in Periscope, when we start the streaming, you will see this, people will see this title. On YouTube, they will see this title. On the RTMP server, you need to update that actually here. Remember, we did this on the last video. If you don't remember, please go back a few videos to the Facebook Live with OBS and you will see how to do it. You need to write here a title, and I recommend you always to add your website here too. Remember that? Video title, keywords and all that good stuff. So let's go back here to Restream. So here we are, the titles are good right now. And now we go back to dashboard because we have the title ready. We have all the channels on, all the channels that we want. Here we have a preview of the streaming session. And right now, you will need to grab the Restream RTMP server, RTMP URL and the stream key. Okay, and we will set up this on our OBS software. So how do you know which one to choose? You can do a speed test and choose the one that is closer to your location. See the speeds. It will take a minute or two to show the speeds, and when you see which one you like better, you can come here and select the one that is closest to you, the server from Restream. Here we have the link for the server, so let me copy this. Go here to my OBS software. I already select service on Restream. I select the server that I want, the same server that I have here. In this case, I have US East Washington, D.C. So let's go here, US East Washington, D.C. Delete the stream key. And now I go here and copy this stream key that is for this server specifically and for my users. And I go here and paste the stream key. Click OK. That's it. That's it. It's all configured right now. If I click start streaming, it will automatically, listen to this, it will automatically start streaming to all the channels that you add here on your channel list. Okay. If you added all the 30 plus channels, you will have automatically start your streaming to all these channels. The only difference, guys, is for the RTMP server. In this case, we are using the RTMP server for actually Facebook Live. So for this case, you need to come here and click on Go Live. If you have somebody on your team that can do that, that's great because your streaming will be already running. But other than that, it will be automatically going live on all this session. And you see that now it's offline. You will see online here on all these platforms, and you will see a preview here on the screen too. Also, they have a chat option because if you are in more than 30 social media platforms live at the same time, you need people are asking questions. You cannot have like 30 plus browser opens on each one of these specific social media. You will be like going crazy, going to all the tabs and trying to read the questions. So that's why Restream have a chat service. If you have a Windows computer, you can download the app and install on your window. If you have a Mac or Linux, you can use the web chat. And if you are on Windows, you can also use the web chat. The web chat is a window like this. And this is the link. You can copy this to your browser, you can launch, and this is the window where you will see all the comments going on with the icons of your specific social media. So if it's a YouTube question, you will see the YouTube icon with the question. If it's a Periscope question, you will see the Periscope question with the Periscope question with the actual logo of Periscope. That's how it works, guys. I hope this is helpful. Let me go back to your OBS so you can see me. This is how it works. It's powerful. Looks complicated at the beginning, but it's not that complicated. I recommend you to do a test session here. Remember that you need to click start streaming here in order to send the stream to Restream. You will start going live to all these channels. So Try this. Try the simultaneous streaming. Contact the support of Restream. See if you can get a free trial so you can test and see how it goes. And after that, you can subscribe if you want for the RTMP or not. If you are watching this on the future and they already add the Facebook Live on the free channels, that's it. You don't need to worry about that. You just need to go ahead and start streaming straight from here, okay? That's how it works. I hope you try it. This is important. Millions of people are on all these 30+ social media platforms waiting for you to stream to them, okay? See you in the next video.